This is Johnston in CIS 102, and we're going to be doing packet tracer 3224. And in here, we're going to learn how to configure trunks. So basically, let's go ahead and go to our switch 1. We're going to show Vlan Brief. So let's just do enable, and we're going to go show Vlan Brief. So there we go. So your one VLAN with all of the ports on it. And we're going to do the same thing for switch 2 and switch 3. Same thing we see here. And you'll see it right here for switch number 3. And you see how these are actually configured for the students and the guest and whatnot. So to configure our trunks, so we're going to go to switch 1 now. So in switch 1, we're going to do conf t, and we're going to do interface range G0/1 -2. And that's going to be the two ports that are going to have that range. And we're going to do switch port mode trunk. Now change the state to up for those two. And then we're going to do switch port trunk native VLAN 99. Now we could speed this up. Alright, so once we sped up time, see it actually reconnected and everything looks good there. And it will show that there's a mismatch discovered. And we will go ahead and we will ping from right here from basically our PC1 to PC4. 172.17.10.24. And see everything works here. And now let's go ahead and let's get out of here. And we're going to do S2 right here. And inside of here, we'll go ahead and do enable. And we're going to show our interface trunk. I just happened to misspell it, but here's show interface trunk. So there we go. So you see the gigabit port number 1 right here. And it shows you all the VLAN interfaces. So gigabit port 1 has VLAN 99 and has all these other VLANs right here. And let's go ahead and go to switch 3. So switch 2 right there. Now let's go to switch 3. We're going to go to interface G0/2. We got to go in here and enable conf t. Then we could do basically our interface G0/2, which is that one right there. And then we're going to go to switch port trunk native VLAN 99. There we go. And now, let's go to switch number 2. We're going to go in here and we're going to do show interfaces trunk. There we are. Now let's go ahead and make sure that our interface on S2 G0/1. Let's do conf T. Let's do interface G0/1. Let's make sure that switch port trunk that command was put in here. So there we go. Now let's go to the next step here, and let's do show interface trunk. Basically, show interfaces trunk, and we see all these right here. And let's do a show run. So it's Vlan 30, Vlan 10, Vlan 20. The gigabit right there, see, is Vlan 99. Alright. And let's go ahead and check switch number 3 and do the same thing. So let's go to end, and we could do show run. You can see right there, gigabit Ethernet, Vlan 99. And then we'll go to the next step here. Now let's go ahead and go back to switch 2, because they want us to show a Vlan brief. See on here, they show how everything is changed a little bit, and because trunking is enabled, see the gigabit is taken off of there. And you're going to see the same thing with any of the ones that you trunk. Those ports will be taken away from the Vlan brief. You actually have to do the trunking, the show interfaces trunking to see if they're being used for that. And that's it in this video.